Think they eat people?
Nah.
like wrong,
maybe
like wrong turn.
Just drinking and fucking.
It was drinking and fucking?
Drinking and fucking.
How do they eat? It's hot out here. My camera's burning in my hand. It's so
unhappy?
hot. Yeah, it's hot. Feel the body of it. It's fucking hot. How you doing, man?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Don't know.
How you doing, Chris?
Burning.
Burning. Oh.
I feel like toast.
We're from the west coast of Canada too, so it's like
I'm from Alabama.
too many. I think we have to do the same distance.
Oh man.
Everything metal is on.
It is so hot out here.
I feel
It's like 117 degrees. Your bike said 120 something?
122.
122? Mine said 117. It's hot.
Yeah.
Well, you were around the other bikes too, though. Oh, guys, it is hot. We still got like 100 and some miles to go?
I'm into it. I'm ready. Aim for pleasure, buddy.
He's just here.
I'm loving it.
J-Fast is just ready for it. I'm gonna get ready this time. First thing is sugar. Let's go orange. How you feeling, bud? How you feeling, bud?
Great. I can't taste my face.
So, Meatball wants to know, what do people do that live out here? What do you think, Meatball? Think they eat people?
Nah.
like wrong,
maybe.
like wrong turn?
Just drinking and fucking.
It was drinking and fucking?
Drinking and fucking.
How do they eat?
That's why I'm staying away from Jay.
They eat lizards and armadillos?
The grass.
And rattlesnakes and grass? I mean, y'all are wild, dude. Y'all are...
Knock on a random door and ask.
We could ask, but they might eat us. They might want us to do that.
Yeah.
Right. That's what they want us to do. Yeah, folks, we are out here, almost to Vegas. Is this like a home or something? Let's go see what's over here. I'm adventuring now, so Adventures of the Bicasso. So this is like... There used to be a house that burned down, maybe? Or somebody built a... That's actually a post office. There's literally nothing out here but a road. I would hate to break down out here. Oh, man. Interesting, though. Very interesting. What? Those big tall things? That's where they, like, all the people smoke in the city and the smoke just goes out the top of it or some shit.
Air filters.
What's something with
Jay, don't get bit by a snake in your thing hole. Canadian gets bit in the balls by a snake, an American snake.
And then he says sorry to the snake.
Oh, I'm sorry about
Sorry for the
that.
bad flavor. I've been riding for a bit. It's a little sweaty.
You got a
down
good
here.
bite there,
I
eh?
love it.
So for the record, he didn't pee himself.
It's ice. That's how Canadians stay cold in the desert. And this. Don't get that?
I guess we're going this way now.
Yeah, we should be going that way, right?
I was gonna ask you, Dick.
Yeah, I think the GPS is pointing this way. That's why I knew to turn. I gotta tell y'all, man, it is always a good time with them. It's just like home. All right, back on the road. I think we've redeemed ourselves physically since changing that tire.
Oh yeah. I know how you're feeling. We have that.
It's so much better.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Milkshake. What flavor?
Three, one got canceled.
What flavor? Vanilla?
Oh, vanilla.
Vanilla.
Cherry cola. Ooh.
You good, bud?
He's in his happy place now.
He said, I don't need one ketchup, I need 3 ketchups.
Oh, Christmas.
Oh,
only got one.
You got the jalapeno popper?
I need 2 ketchups because my name is Chris. I got my Carl's Jr.'s. I happy now.
That was a good Carl.
Your food's here, Kevin.
Nice clean hands.
Yes, it's here.
He's been dipping.
How you feeling?
Feeling great.
Feeling great? Good. Especially since he rode us for the first time. He's right there with us. Like, there was one point where I was quite a bit a ways ahead, and then he just, I just saw him coming. I was like, yeah, I was like, he's coming right behind me. Caught it really quick.
When I started,
Then we both dipped in the curve.
when I was dipping, when we hit that like 118 degrees, and then I looked back and you were in my mirror. I was like, fucking one. I was like, I'm not letting off this throttle.
Oh, I'm full. Kevin, Chris, are you all ready? Are you ready for Nevada to scream the Canadians are coming?
Yes.
With friends?
We are all friends. Canadians are
Ready. Dude,
I was wrong. It's still 42. It's just not 47.
dude, that's wild.
Well, that's why it feels so.
Ew. Oh, it's like liquidy almost. It's like ice cream.
I'm like, why
it's,
does this
it's gelato.
smell- Yeah, it's gelato.
Oh, I love it.
This is vanilla gelato because ice cream is bad for you.
It smells fruity in here.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's my boy right there, it's Chris. My Canadian road warrior. I think we lost, y'all. I'm trying to find a hotel. But we're in Vegas though. Meatball's like, no. Like, no. Good ride there, eh?
Oh, that was great.
Next time I'm walking.
Next time you walking. Oh man.
Yeah,
We're here at the Flamingo,
we were ripping it pretty good.
where we're gonna be staying for the night. You made it, bud. Freaking made it. Now we're checking into the Flamingo.
It's gotta be like the most cock check-in I've ever seen.
Yeah, they messed us
There's
up.
only one guy, and then the priority can cut in front of everybody.
Because back in the day, you'd have like 10 people there, bus people through.
The Flamingo messed up our room, our
30
rooms,
for food and beverage.
Each?
but we're on our way now
Fucking lame.
for the shenanigans, right?
Ugh.
The showers and oh man. So I had to come back out here to get Meatball's bags, but I gotta tell you guys, That is a beautiful sight. This is a beautiful way to end this whole trip. Because this trip has been wild. Or at least for the day anyway. This has been wild. It's been wild. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful sunset.